Welcome to this video on rare earth-free motor innovation. We'll explore how sustainable engineering is driving the development of next-generation electric vehicles. Traditional motors rely on rare earth magnets like neodymium and dysprosium. The mining of these materials harms the environment, creates volatile supply chains, and leads to high material costs for manufacturers. Engineers developed rare earth-free motors to solve this problem. These new designs use iron-based materials or specialized rotor geometries, eliminating expensive magnets and paving the way for sustainable electric vehicles. Ferrite Magnet Motors are one solution. They use iron-based ferrite magnets, replacing rare earth magnets entirely. While they offer slightly lower magnetic strength, the materials cost significantly less. Synchronous Reluctance Motors, or SynRM, utilize a specialized rotor design that requires zero magnets. The geometry guides magnetic flux, offering high efficiency, particularly for industrial settings. Electrically Excited Synchronous Motors, or EESM, completely eliminate permanent magnets. Electricity creates the magnetic field in these wound rotor designs. This architecture can reduce motor carbon footprints by about 30%. Permanent magnet-assisted synchronous reluctance motors, SynRM, combine reluctance technology with low-cost ferrite magnets. This hybrid approach optimizes both efficiency and cost. This comparison matrix summarizes the technologies. Note that SynRM and EESM are 100% magnet-free, while ferrite motors and SynRM are rare earth-free. Rare earth-free motors offer significant advantages in cost and security. They lower material costs by 20 to 40%. This reduces exposure to volatile supply chains and provides geopolitical stability to production pipelines. Sustainability is another key advantage. These motors bypass destructive rare earth mining and complex mineral processing. Technologies like EESM can reduce the overall carbon footprint by around 30%. Modern rare earth-free designs now match the performance of traditional permanent magnet synchronous motors. They deliver the high power densities required for modern electric vehicles. Industry adoption is gaining momentum. Ola Electric received certification for India's first high-performance ferrite motor. Chara Technologies is developing rare earth-free reluctance motors, optimizing performance with advanced control algorithms. Valeo and Renault are building magnet-free EESM architectures. These motors are specifically optimized for high efficiency and demanding highway driving cycles. Astemo, a joint venture of Hitachi and Honda, developed a new SynRM to reduce resource risks, which they will exhibit at the Japan Mobility Show 2025. ABB is also deploying high-efficiency industrial designs. The future of mass-market EVs requires stable supply chains. Rare, earth-free motors provide a viable path forward, guaranteeing sustainable and lower-cost mass production for electric vehicles.